So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what happened on this gold trade that we took in the morning today. Let me show you right from the entry to the break-in, trade management, and everything. All right, so make sure you watch to the very end. So let's get started right now. So if you go to the 4-hour time frame, let me show you what is happening. The market I was presenting us with a very nice sell opportunity which I was looking to take advantage of. So if you zoom in right here, so you can see that of late you've seen I've been trying to short a gold, and today the market actually went in my direction. So you can see that at the highest high right here, I saw a nice rally based drop supply zone with liquidity which was left up above right here. So let's go to the 2-hour time frame so that we can appreciate it even more. Okay, so you can see that even on the 2-hour time frame it's not very clear. Let's drop even further to the 30 minutes time frame. So on the 30 minutes time frame, what can you see? You can still see that nice rally based drop with this liquidity right here. So what was I waiting for? I waited for the market to tap into this area, and of course this is so much big of a stop loss. So what did I do? I had to go to the lower time frame to look for confirmation on the lower time frame. So you can see that as the market was approaching this level, we took out a liquidity right here and then we tapped into this area. Let's go to the 3 minutes time frame. So once the market tapped into the supply, you know what I always wait for. I want to see a significant change of character on the lower time frame. So that's exactly what I got, and after I got that, that's when I was able to execute. So you can see that right now the market was creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and the market came into this area. Okay, the market came into this area right here. Let me go on the 1 minute so that you can see it clearly, and so that you can see the reason I had to actually execute this particular trade. So we had a shift of market character, shift of market direction on the 1 minute time frame. So let me just go back to the 1 minute time frame so that you'll be able to appreciate this entry strategy even more. So let me zoom in right here. Let me just zoom in right here. Okay, so you can see that you had a high, higher, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then higher high, right? And then what did you do? We had a lower low which broke this low right here. So once you have a break of structure like that, that is the first sign of the market fading. All right, so the trend failing. So what did I do? Once I had this break of structure, all I wanted to do was to just wait for the market to pull back into this area. And as soon as the market pulled back, I executed from here. You can see that once we entered right here, we saw the market going down, and then the market started to push in our direction right here. As you can see, the market continued to drop in our favor, and then dropped all the way to this level right here. It went about 1 to 20 risk to reward ratio in profit before we saw the market start to reverse. Let me just show you that. Yeah, so you can see that for my stop loss, I just took the high, the high of that particular candle right there that caused the break of structure. And then for my target, I was just targeting these lows right here. And you can see the market went in profit. Let me just show you. It was in profit for about 1 to 20 risk reward ratio. Let me just see. Yeah, so if you can see from here, the market was about 1 to 23 reward ratio right there. About 1 to 23 risk reward ratio before we saw the market now start to reverse against us right there. That's what happened. Like I wanted the market to push all the way to this level. However, the market didn't come all the way to that level. It came around this level because of this zone right here, this rally based rally. The market started to do what? Started to push to the upside, and we were able to have to be taken out right here. And you can see I was able to actually tell the community to actually manage the trade, and then we were able to move our stop loss as the market was continuing to put to actually go in our direction. And however, you can see that at the time, I told the community to actually put a stop loss at this level right here, and that was my last update. And I got busy by the time I was coming on the screen to see what was happening. The market had actually pulled back quite significantly, and I wasn't able to catch all this. For me, I just caught from here to this level. But the market went all the way to like 1 to 23 before returning. So it depends with what you're able to get from there. So it means that others got out with 1 to 20, others would have gotten out with like 1 to 5 minimum. So this is exactly what happened on this particular trade. It was a beautiful trade. Very, very simple textbook setup. You can like using our entry confirmation entry signal, which is always communicated here. And yeah, it was really, really a very, very nice trade, like I've shown you. Let me show you right here where how we're able to actually manage this trade. Okay, let me just show you in a minute. So just get back. So you can see we entered from here. The market was beautifully going in our direction. And then after that, the market was actually pushing in our direction. You can see that the market dropped all the way to this level right here before we started to see the market turn to the upside. And yeah, congratulations to those who were able to actually catch this big move from here to here. Remember, this was a 1 to 35 risk reward ratio. And for the market to reach this level right here means we're up over 20 risk reward ratio, like 1 to 23 risk reward ratio. And that was massive. That was a really, really massive trade. And unfortunately, like I've said, I didn't catch all this move right here. For me, I only caught about 1 to 5, and I made about 720 US dollars on this particular trade. And yeah, otherwise, it was a really, really beautiful trade. I wish I was on the chart to be able to actually catch the whole lot of the move. However, it is what it is, and there's always going to be a next time. And yeah, so I just thought of sharing this. And if you found value, make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.